Another big story in the Trump campaign, the classified documents case against the former president has been thrown out.
Our Erica Sargent's here now to break down the latest development in Trump's legal battles, and this was a big announcement.
Absolutely, a significant ruling today from this federal judge. In a 93-page decision, Trump appointed Judge Aileen Cannon granted the defense motion over concerns special counsel Jack Smith was improperly appointed by the Attorney General rather than going through congressional approval. Smith was prosecuting the former president on 37 counts in this case, including the willful retention of national defense secrets in connection to documents held at his Mar-a-Lago estate. Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas actually brought up the issue of Smith's appointment in oral arguments for Trump's immunity case just weeks ago. This case had been widely considered the strongest against Trump. I spoke to our legal analyst, Irv Miller, about the impact of the judge's ruling and what could happen next.
That is her ruling on this, but there are many other cases where federal judges have decided the opposite. So do you see this as an outlier when you look at sort of the legal landscape?
Goes against precedent in the future by other judges around the country. There's been special prosecutors, special counsels, independent counsels. This is nothing new. Everyone was surprised when she even held a hearing as to whether or not it was proper for Jack Smith to be the prosecutor on the case. So yes, it's very surprising, since it's kind of, I'll use the word, unique. Strategically,
the Trump lawyers chose to bring this argument before this Florida judge, but so far they haven't done that for the D.C. case. And you're saying it's because you think there would be a different outcome?
I think you and I as lawyers know when we're in front of a friendly judge, and we know when we're in front of a judge who's a bit hostile to us and what their rulings may be. It's basic for everything in life. And I think they knew they were in a friendly forum, and they decided to put up an issue that has been decided differently in other jurisdictions over the years, and they were going to take advantage of it. They were surprised when she even granted a hearing as to whether or not there should be testimony or argument on this issue. And I think they saw this coming. I don't think this was a surprise once they saw that she granted a hearing on something that should have been decided on the written motion. Period. End of discussion.
On social media, Trump wrote, dismissal of the Florida documents case should be the first step, and that other cases against him should be quickly dismissed. But we know that there is the potential for an appeal in this case.
All right, we'll watch for it. Thank you, Erica.